In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut AI body effect to add amazing trending visual effect that grab your attention instantly. Open CapCut and tab New Project. Import your video. Click the plus icon. Click on the video effect. Click body effect. Go to trending. As you can see, there are lots of preset body effect. Let's try a few of them. Now select any effect. Click on the plus icon. Click on export to save the video. Thanks for watching the video.